3, Shurley Method, Part 1, Exercise 1. Hank showed David and Adam his home aquarium. Who showed David and Adam his home aquarium? Subject, noun. What is being said about Hank? Showed what? Aquarium. Is aquarium the same thing as Hank? No, so it becomes the direct object. Showed becomes the verb transitive. Showed the aquarium to whom? David and Adam. So those are compound indirect objects. And conjunction. What type of aquarium? Home. Adjective. Whose aquarium? Possessive pronoun adjective. Pattern. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. Okay, no prepositional phrase, period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's a natural or inverted order. Natural. You guys are going to do number 2 for homework. And it is a subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. So all of these are that way today. Okay? The cooks made all the teachers a special dessert. Who made all the teachers? So who made all the teachers a special dessert?
That's what we're doing for homework.
Oh, that's right. The beautician gave my mom and me a shampoo. So who gave my mom and me a shampoo? Beautician. Subject, noun. What is being said about gave? Or about beautician? Gave verb. Gave what? So is shampoo the same thing as beautician? No, so it's the direct object. Gave becomes the verb transitive. Gave the shampoo to whom? Mom and me. So those are compound indirect objects. And is a conjunction. A. Who's mom? What kind of adjective? Possessive pronoun adjective. The pattern. Subject, noun, verb, transitive, indirect object, direct object, pattern 3, check. No prepositional phrase, period. Whoops. Declarative sentence, go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's a natural or inverted order. Okay. Next one, my husband sent me a dozen yellow roses for our anniversary. Who sent me a dozen yellow roses for our anniversary? Subject, noun. What is being said about husband? Sent what? Roses. Are roses the same thing as husband? No, so it becomes the direct object, and sent becomes the. Okay. Sent the roses to whom? Me. Indirect object. What kind of roses? Okay. How many roses? A. Whose husband? PPA, possessive pronoun adjective. Okay. For what? Whose anniversary? An adjective, but more specifically, it's a possessive pronoun adjective. Pattern? For our anniversary? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, it's in the natural or inverted order. Okay,